Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your account credentials and app state because authorization errors often stem from simple mismatches. Check that the email or phone tied to the account is verified, then update TikTok and clear the app cache to remove stale tokens. Once done, reproduce the error and copy the exact error text and time. This trace helps in appeals and support chats. Make sure to note whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, since network differences change how tokens refresh. Next, force a fresh authentication flow to replace a blocked token. Log out of TikTok, force stop the app, and reboot the device to clear in-memory credentials. Then switch networks, try cellular if you were on Wi-Fi, and disable any VPN or proxy because altered IPs can trigger blocks. Reopen the app and log in to force token reissue. Watch for immediate prompts like two-factor or CAPTCHA. If the app still balks, collect screenshots and error ID for support. Finally, file an appeal and secure the account to prevent recurrence. Use TikToks in app support or web form, paste the exact error, attach screenshots, and include device info and timestamp. While waiting, change your password and enable two-factor authentication to prove ownership. Revoke any suspicious third-party access. If support stalls, escalate via email and include device logs or screen recordings. One key tip: if nothing works, try a different device and network to confirm whether the block is device or account level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.